We want to do something new that's not there in the industry right now. So I'll introduce myself. I'm a dual master student in robotics and computer science at UPenn. I've done multiple projects in multiple domains, around 30 projects. I have some publications. Right now I'm doing some open source co-development in my free time. I also built the AI demo that you see there.
Nice to meet everybody. My name is Shai Perednik. I'm a technology leader. So there's many use cases where we need a language model and we need an architecture to have a much more back and forth fluid conversation as opposed to this one-shot model advantage that William was talking about. So these are just the three main ones here. There's a lot of them out there. I want to dig into a little bit about the exciting architecture that's there. A lot of credit goes to Gentopia for illustrating the architecture. If anybody's in standard development, you think about microservices architecture, this is very much what we're trying to apply to language models. The idea is that we have an agent, and then that agent could be something like a ChatGPT agent, would be a basic model that's there today. It has certain memory that it's given either for long-term memory, short-term context memory, and then it has other agents that it can use as well. The important part is it has a prompt. We like to call it a personality prompt. This defines what that agent actually is. Are they a fact checker? Are they a political fact checker? Are they an architecture fact checker? Are they a linguistics expert on the English language? So we want to be able to build agents that are containerized on their own and have these components as part of them. One of the challenges that we need to make sure we do is we need to collect all these agents, and the Gentopia architecture proposes something called Gentpool. The Gentpool is a collection of agents, and if you can imagine a couple of years in the future, especially as an open source project, we could potentially have thousands of agents. We don't want to have just agents for the sake of agents, so benchmarking is another key part there. What we need to make sure is that if we develop a fact-checking agent, and it's a political fact checker, that it is the most efficient one. If it's a jargon fact checker, if it's an architectural fact checker, if it's an AWS solutions architect and has that background, if it's a DevOps architect and has that background. We want to make sure that it's as efficient as it can when it's answering specific questions or in certain scenarios. Part of our goal in how we contribute to the larger efforts around Gentopia and the many other projects out there is with that agent, right? We want to be able to create fully born and bred agents out there that are doing unique things and are able to achieve the benchmarking scores that are needed in order to be able to use in a production application. Yeah. We need volunteers, we need from the community, builders, organizers, come join this effort.
Absolutely. So until the next turn, we are focusing on building the infrastructure, so like the submission system. And after that, we are trying to start a competition style thing where you can make submissions and we have a leaderboard. We'll be scoring each submission based on accuracy, speed, whether it's hallucinating a lot, its efficiency like memory-based efficiency, robustness. If it doesn't work for every type of input, then it's not really going to work. So these kind of benchmarking criteria will be checked on each submission, and this will be automated using probably GitHub Actions. And then we will have a leaderboard running on. And for each category, we're going to have a separate leaderboard. For example, like if one category is like an interviewing AI, so that AI should be the best at interviewing people. And so we'll have your submissions graded and then like ranked on that leaderboard. And we will also have a metric-based leaderboard, which means like you will be able to sort it based on speed or accuracy or robustness or efficiency. So basically, if an AI system wants to use one of our models from the leaderboard, it can choose the one whichever it needs. Like if it's an interviewing AI, then it probably needs to be fast. So you can sort it based on the speed and then take the best AI and use it.
Well, what does this stuff actually look like in real life, right? So we wanted to share some screenshots just to give you some visualizations and ideas. You can imagine, I like to call it tAiLor, the tailored AI assistant. She's tailored to your tailored experiences and your tailored needs. And you can think of it from a pharmacist's perspective. I might leave here and I might, just get on my phone and talk to tAiLor about my back pain, my leg pain maybe it's just been a challenging day, I'm tired and I need something to help me sleep. And so tAiLor can find, as my AI pharmacist, the right medication that I need. Very similarly, I might talk about my past careers at AWS and my challenges, the fun stuff I did at AWS, and some new careers I'm looking for, and tAiLor may guide me to those careers in real time that are available. So who would like to see a demo? A little quiet. That's not the Philly grid I'm expecting. Let's go. Who wants to see a demo? Do one more time. Well, you try. Maybe they'll respond right here.
Who wants a dynamo?